wanted to check in with you real quick. I woke up early today, sunrise, and it was a beautiful sunrise. I mean, they always are, right? So I was trying to get some drone footage, and I did. I got quite a bit of it, but right at the end I tried to do one more run, doing a sideways path across some trees. Checked twice, turned the camera, made sure I had a clear line of sight view where the camera was going, where the drone was going, but I was a little off. Clipped a tree pretty high up, and now my drone is stuck. I located where it's at, but I can't see it. It's too high in the tree. It's basically a loss, but I can't even see it, so I'm going to make my way down the riverbed. It's kind of far. I had to walk down there from my campsite, but I just closed up camp real quick, got in the truck, made a quick cup of coffee, and I'm hoping to at least go use my telephoto lens on my big camera to look and see where it's actually at. Not that I could get it, it's too high. It's way too dangerous to climb up that tree. It was in the recent burn area, and it's not burnt, but it looked like it was having a hard time, so the branches probably not too strong. Anyway, I'm gonna head home after that, see if I can locate it. So I'm just gonna head down the river wash to where my drone is and see if I can see it. But wish me luck. I went down the river wash a little bit to look for my drone and can't find it. I know the tree it's in, but I just can't see where it's at. So besides that, I put a camera down by the location where I want to like start some new video angles, and I realized that one of my tie rods, the connector point that goes down to where you steer the steering wheel, is loose. Well, it's not loose, I felt it, but the bolt is sticking up away from the rubber. So I'm trying to find a quicker way out the river wash, which I thought I had one, but this doesn't look like one. But I didn't want to go all the way down the river wash because it's pretty, I mean, I could do it, I did it before. I was trying to find an easier way out, so just want to give you a quick update. Alright, so I went and I checked the steering tie rod that I thought was loose, and it ended up being the sway bar control arm is a little bit loose. So it's not a dire situation, so it's better than I thought. So I'm just going to try to turn around and head down the river wash, because the location that I thought I could get out easier, it's actually blocked by some big boulders that I don't want to mess with right now. I might be able to get around it. Alright, so I'm down, heading off the trails, down the main trail, back to the main road now. Got me a camera mounted on the outside, got my dash cam recording, but my window's really dirty, so I don't know if that'll turn out. But anyway, I'm heading down out of Lytle Creek, down the last main trail that gets you out of the area down to the back to the main road. Lost my drone. It's okay, it's a little bit older drone. There's another newer version that I've been wanting to get, or I'll get the next version up in size, which I've also wanted to do. Maybe I'll be able to buy a clamp or something. They go clamp it and recover my own drone. I don't know. I'm gonna watch some videos and see if people can recover their own drones. It's so high in the tree I couldn't even see it, but luckily the tree branches are spread apart a lot, and there's not a lot of branches. I just couldn't see where it was at, but I gotta come back soon before it snows or a heavy rain to try to recover it. So I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll come back, try to recover it, or I'll just count it as a loss, get the next version up. It was bound to happen. I'm a little bit hazardous, I guess, personal hazardous with my drone as far as its own safety when it comes to trees. I've been lucky a lot, so my luck finally ran out. I gotta roll the windows. I got a lot of dust coming in the truck. But anyway, thank you for joining me again. Heading out of Lytle Creek. I didn't video last night, a closing video, I don't think, so. And this morning I had my drone flying in the morning, and now it's supposed to be my opening video for part 2 or 3. It's probably going to be a part 1 because I really didn't record that much. I just came out and kind of enjoyed it a lot. But anyway, shit happens. Just got to keep our head up, keep moving on. Got to get a new drone somehow, save up some money. But I will hit you guys back on the next one. Hopefully the next one, I'm hoping, is Big Bear, so. But I want to get my drone before that, so we'll see. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you on the next one, and have a good week, please.